Hey, Marcus here, Soarin' Sci-Fi Guy. I've been seeing a lot of people say that bolter rounds that the Space Marines fire in the Warhammer 40k universe are the size of Red Bull cans.
And that's just not true.
So I came up with this handy picture to show you what size they actually are. They are 75 caliber rounds, which is .75, which means 3/4 of an inch in diameter, which is about 19 millimeters. While the bolter round in this picture isn't 100% to scale, since we know that it's 75 millimeters in diameter, we can kind of extrapolate how tall it is judging from that scale. It's not perfect, it's a few millimeters off, but it's a decently accurate comparison point. I've also included some common rounds like 9mm, 5.56, and 308 or 7.62 NATO. So that way we can see how big it is compared to what we commonly use today. I also included the 500 Smith & Wesson because it's not only a big round, but it's also pretty much the same round that the Halo Magnum fires, so this is a good sci-fi gun caliber comparison. Now I'll probably talk about the bolter in general in other videos, but I just wanted to talk about the size here. And I can honestly see why some people think that it's much bigger than it is, because just look at this picture of a Space Marine. It looks like that barrel is massive. But if you look closely, you can see that there are holes in the side of the barrel, which, if you're not too familiar with firearms, means that it's likely either a muzzle brake or a flash suppressor. If we look at an M4 barrel or AR-15 barrel, I mean the barrels are pretty much the same, we can see that the end is a lot bigger than the 5.56 round that it fires, and that's because it's a muzzle brake. I mean, if you just saw this, you might think that it fires 50 cal rounds. But it doesn't. That's just a muzzle device, and probably the same thing here on the bolter. So I hope you found that educational. Please like, subscribe, follow, whatever, share. I know a lot of people who make videos say that, but it does really help out.